Good morning, children. Welcome to your ICT lesson. So, last week in our ICT lesson, we had spoken about few terms. They were new to you. So, the first one was coding, algorithm, sequence or sequencing, and loop. Now, let's quickly recall these terms. Alright. So, the first term was coding. Is there anyone who can answer or who can tell what coding is? So if your parents are sitting by your side, I would request your parents to listen to your answers, please. Okay, a big thumbs up for all the ones who have given the correct answer. And for the ones who are not able to give the answer, let me quickly recall. Okay. So what's coding, children? Coding is a method of giving instructions to a computer to perform a specific task. So what's coding? It's a method, okay? A method of giving instructions to the computer to perform a special task. Okay? So, and who does coding? Who gives these instructions to the computer? The computer programmers. Okay, so the computer programmers, what they do is they give instructions to the computer. That's a method. They follow a method of giving instructions to the computer, and that's called coding. Okay, now there are few things which we need to remember or we need to know about coding. All right, we know that there are people who give instructions to the computer, because of which the computer is able to perform the task successfully. We know that? Great. Now we need to understand how does it happen. Okay. So first of all, in order to give instructions, we need set of instructions. Yes or no? Yes. I need certain set of instructions. If I have to give instructions to somebody, I should also know that. Yes. So the set of instructions which is given to the computer in order to perform a task is known as algorithm. Okay. So what is algorithm? A set of instructions. So what's algorithm, children? A set of instructions given in order to complete a certain task and receive the correct result or desired result. So the instructions which are given to a computer to get the desired result, that's known as algorithm. Now this algorithm, children, is followed everywhere in our day-to-day life. We are talking of instructions in non-fiction, which is in literacy. I speak of instructions in ICT. I give you instructions and I tell you the method which we need to follow in order to solve sums, isn't it? Solve any equation, whether it's addition or subtraction. So this week we had spoken about multiple step problem solving. You need to follow certain instructions, isn't it? You have to follow certain steps. Then in science, I have given you certain instructions to complete your work properly, isn't it? So the instructions are everywhere. You have to follow certain instructions in order to get the desired result. Okay, so it's not only with the computer, it's in our day-to-day life as well. Okay, now we also spoke about a term called sequence. Now, when you give instructions, you have instructions with you, you have a computer programmer. Okay. Now, computer programmer is the one who gives instructions. But if those instructions are not in a sequence, they are not in a proper order, do you think we'll get the desired results? No, we will not. How would we get that? We will not be able to get the desired result if the instructions are not in proper order. They are not in sequence. They are not numbered properly. All right. So Sequencing is very important here. Then we also discussed a word called loop. What is loop? Loop is important, children, because in terms of computers, many a time the programmers have to give the same instructions, have to tell the computer to follow the same instructions again and again. So writing those instructions again and again, they use a term called loop. That's a technical term used in computer language here, wherein those instructions are repeated again and again. Okay. Similarly, as you come to school every day, so you wake up in the morning, you take bath, wear your school uniform, have your breakfast, pack your bags and come to school, and this repeats, isn't it? It keeps on repeating. So this is something, and you know it by default till the time it's a weekend. So till Friday, from Monday to Friday, you keep on doing that, and on Saturday, Sunday, because that's not required, so you don't do it. Okay. So what's loop? Loop is repeating those instructions till the time another instruction is not given to stop that. To stop that process. All right, children. So today we are going to talk about the same terms again. We'll talk about algorithm, we'll talk about sequence, and we'll talk about loop. However, today we are going to do it through an activity. All right, are we ready? Okay.